So this would be the final product of a population pyramid that you're working on with this class assignment. What you'll notice again is going to be the name of the country spelled correctly, capitalized and underlined. You have a 2012 pyramid and a 2050 pyramid. You have clearly labeled the male and female sides. You have the ages from the youngest to the oldest up top. And then on the baseline, what you're going to notice is going to be the percent of population. These numbers were derived from doing your calculations on the paper using a calculator and dividing each individual age by a total population and rounding it up or down to the nearest number. How did we get there? Well, we did our calculations for 2012 and for 2050. We then took the piece of paper that we had, the graph paper, and we folded it in half. We then took each half and folded it back along the blue line, and that created the midpoint for each population pyramid. Once we opened it, we went ahead and we made a baseline at the very bottom. We left two full boxes, and we labeled the percentages of population. We start with 0 in the middle and work our way out. The biggest numbers can be based on our math that we did. In my case, for 2012, the single biggest percentage was 10%. And for 2050, the single biggest percentage was 7%. So for me, every line is equal to 1 percentage point. You might need to do 2. Once that was set, we went age by age and plotted out the points for male and females, like a bar graph. We connected the dots and we colored it. Once we did that, we ensured everything was labeled correctly and spelled correctly, and that is the population pyramid that we've come up here for today. So if your population pyramid looks like this, you got it all set. What does this mean that we've drawn? Well, we're going to talk about that with our next part of our projects looking at spreadsheets. Thank you.